BJP's internal tensions deepened on Thursday as former allies mining tycoon B. Janardhana Reddy and ex-minister B. Sriramulu clashed publicly. The conflict started with accusations against Sriramulu in the BJP core committee meeting. He was blamed for the party's defeat in the Sandur by-election after failing to secure a party nomination. He was criticized for not doing enough to win the election. According to sources, some members of the BJP believed Sriramulu was hoping to get a BJP ticket for Sandur after losing the 2023 Assembly election and the 2024 Lok Sabha election. However, the party chose Bangaru Hanumantu, who was lost to Congress Annapurna in the bypoll. Following these accusations, Sriramulu threatened to quit the party. On Wednesday, Sriramulu openly accused Janardhana Reddy, the Gangavati MLA, of backbiting. Against him to BJP National General Secretary Radha Mohan Das Agarwal. In response, Reddy reminded Sriramulu that it was he who helped guide him during a difficult time when Sriramulu was contemplating revenge for his uncle's murder. He also mentioned media reports suggesting that Sriramulu might join Congress to control some influential figures. Sriramulu in turn accused Reddy of attempting to split the party in Bellary. Meanwhile, BJP National President JP Nadda reportedly spoke to Sriramulu over the phone, according to sources close to him.